Okay, so this is a base model bumper. Right, so I gotta cut the lower parts. And this one I got it for like $140 from eBay. It's pretty good. It is kind of flimsy compared to the OEM ones. Not hard as OEM ones, but it's much cheaper than OEM, so it looks exactly like OEM. Let's see if it fits or not. I'm just gonna remove the bumper. Alright, so I just took the bumper off. So to fit this in the lower side, you gotta cut these things around here. I don't think you have to cut this one, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna use to cut because I don't have an angle grinder. Doesn't look that thick though. I think I can just cut it with a knife or something. Yeah, let me try that first. Okay, so just finished cutting a bunch of stuff off. I had to cut quite a bit like this. Pretty much the entire lower side had to be cut off. Fitment wise, I'm still not sure, but it does look to be fit just fine. Still have to do some trimming, like here. You see these with the aftermarket ones. They have these edges that needs to be cut off. They'll maybe smoothen out. But yeah, small stuff like this. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for $140. Not bad. I can get an OEM one later. But for now, it just works fine. Yeah, I used this. Actually broke it. Yeah. This is a Harbor Freight utility knife. It's been working pretty good. I've been using it for 2 years and I finally broke it. What I did is just pressed them on and used the hammer to slam it on the top, and that's what broke it. But it worked. It took me like an hour to cut everything off, but it's on. So this is how much I cut off. The sides. These and anything lower than here, anything lower than this line had to go, including these pillars here. Same thing with this side. Let's focus. Yeah, it doesn't focus, but basically I just anything that sticks out had to go on. These I lifted because it doesn't touch and has like a hole for the screws. So I'm gonna leave those on. Now I just gotta put it back on the car. Okay, so I put on. This is how it looks. It looks really, really good. Much better than what it was on. Yeah, but I still gotta do some trimming. Like here. I've seen every single people who have the slip-on, the aftermarket ones, have problem with the fitment over here. So I'll try to do something about that. Same thing with this side. It's just a little popping out. I'll try to do something about that, but other than that, it's pretty good. I haven't tightened the bolts, so there's still some panel gaps. But yeah, let me close the hood. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like every other B6